update for Wednesday the 14th of October for the QuasiDB service. Keep an eye on your pink line, bearish below and bullish above, 50-50 on AJ above, 75.67, 75.28. Again, we're below monthly pivot for AU, 72.10 and 71.44. We are a buy, but they're going long over time. At that point, you'd have sold because they're going long. See? It's like a mirror image. But this is a good example of the dynamic movement across time. So please let me know if you don't understand it. It's very important that you understand that. That's the concept of what we do. It's the core. EA above 165.96 and below 163.50 sideways. EU, it's very sideways here in the price action, above 117.56 and 117.25. Monthly pivot is here, they're going long. So you see what happens. They go long, so price falls. GU, we're taking out the SLC. We might have exited the signals a bit early, but I'm still happy with this. What we had, the 200 pips is absolutely fine. Above 129.46, the one below was 129.05. So we are a sell. We have crossed the 50% line at that point. I don't know if you saw my tweet from last night, but the retail have now gone long. They've now gone net long, and that's what that means. They've crossed over the line. At that point, it becomes a sell. Because we're below monthly pivot, we're now a sell. That's why it's fallen. Technically, it's looking pretty awful. NU, monthly pivot's here. So we're seeing a lot of dollar strength. 66.38. SLC above is 66.75 and 66.24 sideways. EJ 124, 123.57. We are a buy. They're going long. So they haven't crossed the 50% line yet, so it's still a buy. If it crosses 50% line, then it crosses over the neutral zone, then it flips the sentiment. But we're still okay. Pound yen. Obviously, this is lockdown news related. I think 136.5. The one below was in past tense 136. Sell. We crossed the 50% line ages ago. We have been a sell for a while. And your monthly pivot's there as well. So technically and sentimental, it's looking quite heavy, and fundamentally as well. UJ is going quite strong. We are a sell at a high level, and they go along over time, so it should be falling. Perhaps we might get the SLC 105.6. So it's only 10 pips away, below 105.2. So perhaps up to here, get that, because it's quite a nice size, and we can fall. UC 1316 and 13086. They're going long, and at that point it was a sell. See how it's the mirror image again. It's like a reflection, like symmetry almost. What the herd does and price action. We are a sell. So we should be coming down to the SLC. It's nicely large. That will probably be, that's going to be a good target, I think. We're below monthly pivot and we're a sell. Dollar Swiss. Likewise, see how the retailers sold it. So price comes up. SLC above 91.60 and below 91.09. Quick look at gold. Yeah, we were a sell at the high level as well. Gold monthly pivot 1908, above 1901, potential, going to get that, we're not far away, and below 1879, we're a sell, and going long, so that should be bearish. Quick look at risk, and there's your MR1 level. It might surpass it, 3555, it should hold, because it's MR1, so it's monthly, it's a monthly resistance. We've got some resistance up here as well. If you're looking at a volume profile perspective, that would be a strong resistance. And you've got MR1 as well. But, who's to say? But it is above pivot, and we've got an ascended moving average. And check out the MAs as well. Technically it's very solid, so we could potentially break that. So be careful if you're short indices. And just a quick one today. These videos are going to be 5 minutes long. Thank you for everyone who taken the price at Signal. I really appreciate it, and we did really well, so I'm really happy, and good team effort, and I'll speak to you soon.